It is a beautiful sunny day, the birds are singing, a gentle breeze is in the air. Do you see that tiny water droplet? It is sparkling in the lake. Today we will join this little droplet on an amazing journey. It's called the water cycle. Are you ready? Let's go. The water cycle is a big adventure. It's a journey that water takes. It goes around and around. The water droplet is excited to start this trip. It will change forms many times. First, it will be a liquid, then it will become a gas, and then it will be a liquid again. This journey is important for our planet. It moves water from place to place. It also changes the weather. The water cycle brings rain and snow. It even helps plants grow. Let's follow the water droplet on its incredible journey. We'll see all the amazing things it does. The sun shines brightly. It warms the lake. Our little water droplet feels the warmth. It starts to feel hot. The droplet starts to jiggle and dance. It doesn't want to be a liquid anymore. It wants to be free. Can you guess what happens next? That's right, it evaporates. The water droplet turns into a gas. We can't even see it anymore. It's called water vapor now. The water vapor is light as a feather. It rises up into the air, up, and away it goes. It joins other water vapor in the sky. They are going on a big adventure together. Evaporation is important. It's how water from the ground gets into the air. The sun plays a big role. It gives the energy needed for evaporation. High in the sky it gets much colder. Our little water vapor starts to feel chilly. It doesn't want to be a gas anymore. It wants to huddle close with its friends. As the water vapor cools, it changes back into a liquid. This is called condensation. Tiny droplets clump together. They form bigger and bigger drops. Can you guess what they make? Yes, they make clouds. Clouds are like giant puffs of cotton candy. They float around in the sky. They can be big or small. They can be fluffy or wispy. Clouds are important. They carry water all over the world. They are like giant water taxis. Section 4. Back to Earth we go. The cloud gets fuller and fuller. It is carrying so many water droplets, it becomes heavy like a full water balloon. Finally, the cloud can't hold all the water anymore. Plop. The water falls back to Earth. This is called precipitation. It can fall as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Rain is the most common type of precipitation. It's when liquid water falls from the clouds. Snow is when the water freezes in the clouds. It falls as beautiful white flakes. Sleet is a mix of rain and snow. It happens when the temperature is close to freezing. Hail is like small balls of ice. It falls during thunderstorms. Precipitation is important. It replenishes water sources on Earth. It gives water to plants and animals. Section 5. The water cycle in everyday life. The water cycle might seem like just a natural process, but it impacts our daily lives in many ways. When you water your garden, you're using water that once traveled through clouds and rivers. Farmers rely on the water cycle to grow their crops. Without regular rainfall, our food supply would be in danger. Cities and towns depend on rivers and reservoirs filled by rain to provide drinking water. Did you know that even the electricity in your home can be connected to the water cycle? Hydroelectric dams use flowing rivers to generate power. And let's not forget about the weather. The water cycle plays a crucial role in weather patterns. It affects everything from sunny days to storms. So the next time you see a raindrop or sip a glass of water, think about the incredible journey it has taken to reach you. The water cycle is more than just a science lesson. It's a vital part of our world. Now let's continue with our little droplet's never-ending journey. Section 5. The never-ending journey. The rain falls on the ground, mountains, and oceans. Some of the water soaks into the ground. It becomes groundwater. Groundwater is important for plants and animals too. Some of the water flows downhill. It forms rivers and streams. These rivers flow all the way back to the ocean. And guess what? Our little water droplet is back where it started. But the journey doesn't end here. It's a cycle. That means it happens over and over again. The water droplet might evaporate again tomorrow. It might travel to a different part of the world. It might even fall as snow this time. The water cycle is an amazing process. It's essential for life on Earth. Water is crucial for the human body too. Our cells need water to function properly. It helps with digestion, circulation, and regulating body temperature. So next time you drink a glass of water, remember the incredible journey it has taken to keep you healthy.